This is the latest little thing I've been working on. Got a bit fed up using bulbs, bits of wire and batteries for setting the timing or for doing the points. So I've kind of adapted this little circuit here for my purposes, and these will be like my test probes, or I'll have clips on there probably, so I can just clip them on each side of the points, and when the gap close, LED show, and also a buzzer, so you haven't got to keep looking at it all the while. So I've got the principle of the thing working. What I've got to do now, fix it in this little box I've got here. Yeah, and I've put a little on-off switch as well, although I probably don't really need it. It's just that if you leave it switched on and the clips happen to touch, that will just obviously keep pinging away. So next thing I've got to do is just cut down a little bit of this circuit board stuff, solder everything in, and get it inside this case. I think what I've also got some magnets, so what I might do is aerolite a couple of magnets inside the case, so I can just, just hold on the frame or whatever. Yeah, so that is the plan. Right, so that's all the transistors on, resistors on, and I'm just using a little push-in block there for the transistor, because the soldering iron I've got, which is this one, this gives it quite a high heat, and yeah, that soldering iron tip is a little bit big, and when your eyes start going, like mine, it's really difficult to solder. Yeah, so I have got a smaller soldering iron, but the tip has completely had it, so I'll need to get a new one. So next thing, this is the little piezo transducer buzzer. I just marked a spot there on the board where that's got to go. That long pin is the positive, so that's just got to go on there. I'll put that on there next, or no, actually I'll put all the flying leads on next. Put this on last, because I'll see that's probably sensitive to heat. Yeah, so I probably could have made that slightly smaller, that board. It's not very many components on there, so yeah, it could have been a bit smaller, but never mind. That should go in the box okay. Right, so I'll just get these leads soldered on now. Right, here we go. Circuit is all together. Little switch here, turn that on. These two wires here, I think where I'll have my crocodile clips on, so obviously they will go either side of the points, and when the points close, LED come on and the buzzer. Right, so that is all working. What we need to do now is get it in this box. So I've got a couple of holes I'll have to drill. I might put a little bit of heat shrink over that, just to stop things shorting out. I'll just have to leave a hole for the piezo. But yeah, happy with that. Yeah, a little bit of a squeeze to get everything in there. Probably could have done with a slightly bigger box, would have made life easier. I had to sort of put that in a bit of an angle, and the other thing is I'm probably going to have to put some holes in the top of that lid, it just sort of muffle the sound a little bit, I think. I don't know actually, might be alright. Yeah, I think I might just leave it like that for now. So just got to put the screws in, and I'm just waiting for the clips. I've got some small crocodile clips on the way. I've got these ones, but they're a little bit too big really. Want something smaller. Yeah, so I've got all the LED switch and the wires coming out there. I can just switch that off, switch it on. Yeah, nice little points tester.